Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find transact number on Chase. So let's dive into it. One of the quickest way for you to be able to find your transact number on your Chase is to open your Chase mobile app on your phone or any other device, then log in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to select the account you want the transact number for. For example, you can pick if it is checking account or saving account. Then on step 3, you have to tap show details or the account information. Then you will see your routine number listed, and this is the same as the transact number. So on step 5, you can also check it on a Chase check. So the first 9 digits at the bottom left are the transact or the routine number. So if needed, visit the Chase website, login, and check the account details section to view your number as well. And that's how you can easily find your Chase transact number. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.